He was just 24, young, wild, and in love not with a person, but with his machine. A red Lotus Emeya, a dream on four wheels. Low, fast, futuristic. With 905 horsepower under his foot. He didn't drive it, he commanded it. Every Friday night, the roads outside the city would echo with the scream of rubber and the howl of the electric motor. Tight corners. He drifted them like he was painting a masterpiece with smoke. Crowds would gather, cameras would roll, but to him, it was just another dance with his Emeya. By Sunday morning, the car would be covered in dust, tire marks, and evidence of a battle well fought. That's where the real ritual began. This Sunday was no different. The clock struck 2 p.m., and his phone lit up with a thought. Time to bring her back to glory. He picked up the phone and dialed 058509-900. Noor Al Kamer Car Wash. Assalamu alaikum, he said. Can you guys come at 4 p.m.? Full wash. She's earned it. The voice on the other end replied with calm confidence. Of course, brother. Team will be there sharp at 4. Let her shine again. At 4 p.m. on the dot, the Noor Al Kamer crew arrived uniformed, professional, and fully equipped. No ordinary wash. This was a mobile spa for cars. He watched as they began. First, a gentle rinse to loosen the dirt. Then came the foam thick and creamy, hugging every inch of the Emeya's aggressive curves. The sunlight made the bubbles shimmer like diamonds. They weren't in a rush. They treated her like art. The young man stood nearby, arms crossed, eyes locked. He wasn't just watching a car get cleaned. He was watching memories get preserved. The rims were detailed, the tires scrubbed, the roof carefully hand-washed. The rear diffuser still warm from last night's. Drift was polished until it gleamed. Then came the interior. Vacuumed, wiped, refreshed. The team even added a subtle leather scent, the kind that reminded him of the day he first sat inside this machine. As the final microfiber cloth left the hood, the Emeya stood there, reborn. Her red paint didn't just shine, it glowed, like lava beneath glass. The young man walked up slowly. He ran his fingers across the hood, then smiled. That kind of smile you only get when everything feels just right. Well, he said to the team lead, it's like she came back from the factory. The guy from Noor Al Kamer smiled back, no, brother. She came back from war and now she's ready for the next one. The young man laughed, handed over the cash, and added a tip with a nod of respect. He stood back, snapped a photo for Instagram, and captioned it, drive hard, wash smart. Noor Al Kamer, 585,092,900 legends. Take care of legends. And with that, the Emeya rolled back into the garage.